Okay, this is just a quick demonstration about how we are going to use the multiplication strategy called the grid method. Alright, the grid method is we're going to take two numbers. I'll say 38 times 6 here. So what we are going to do with this grid method is we are going to create a grid that looks like this. I am going to partition the 38 into a 30 or 3 tens and 8 ones. I'm going to move the 6 over to this side here. I can interchange. The 6 can be on the top and the 30 and the 8 can be here. It doesn't matter. So now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to multiply. 3 times 6 is 18 plus the 0 is 180. Alright, and 6 times 8 we're going to go with a nice 48. Then to get the answer is 180 plus 48 equals 228. And lastly, I can extend this into doing two-digit numbers by two-digit numbers in the same way. First, I'll make my small grid, and this way I can partition this 26 over here into a 20, and then a 6, and then the 17 will be a 10, and a 7. So it's the same grid.